Welcome to the Cooler Reports. I'm glad to introduce our new products on my right hand for the steam warmers. As we can see, the units at the front, they have a control knobs and the switch buttons, and also have LED lights to notify the machine is running. And also we can see using the UI standard 110 plugs. Behind of the units, they do have a sanitation sticker sign with EPL approvals. And let me give you the measurements. This unit's entire length is about like 13 inches long, and depth about like 21 inches, and the overall height is about like 10 inches. The units coming with small 4 feet at the bottom holding the units. And when we open the big lids, we see there's a port and have extra layer at the bottoms. And we can take a look closer to see the dimension intersect. For this port, they are about like 12 inches wide and 19.5 inches long and 6 inches deep. It's removable. As we can see, the second layers have another big hole space for you to storage waters. We're having the minimal lines and the maximal lines here for you to secure the units. And let me give you the measurement for this pole. This pole about like 1 feet 12 inches and the 20 inches long, and the overall depth about like 6.5 inches. Thank you for watching this videos. This is all product information details. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.